Today we're featuring the new Toyota Rav4 XLE Premium all-wheel drive with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. It's featured with a silver sky metallic exterior and a black interior. Let's start with the Rav4's black hexagon pattern bar front grille and integrated fog lights. Check out these 19-inch multi-spoke super chrome alloy wheels. How about these sharp-looking multi-LED headlights with chrome bezels and LED daytime running lights, color-keyed upper front bumper and black lower front bumper over fenders and rear bumper, and the color-keyed heated power outside mirrors with turn signal and blind spot warning indicators. It has color-keyed outside door handles with a touch sensor lock-unlock feature on the front doors. This RAV4 has it all. LED taillights, height-adjustable power liftgate with jam protection, and privacy glass on all rear side quarter and liftgate windows. Once inside, you'll notice the power tilt slide moonroof with one-touch open-close. The 60/40 split reclining fold-flat rear seat with center armrest and cup holders, and the 5-passenger seating with Softex trimmed seating surfaces. Up front, you can see the overhead console with map lights, sunglasses storage, the safety connect button, and power tilt slide moonroof controls. How about the soft touch dash and armrests with stitched dash and center console accents? And check out the leather trimmed tilt telescopic 3-spoke steering wheel with silver accent and controls for audio. The 8-way power adjustable front driver's seat with lumbar support provides the comfort you deserve. And for extra storage, here's the center console with a covered storage compartment. And don't forget about the 5 USB ports. Again, this RAV4 comes with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. It's a real game changer. It's the new Toyota Rav4 XLE Premium all-wheel drive. For any additional information or to schedule a test drive, please call our sales team at 651-482-1322.